Workout is done. Let's get ready for the day. And just like that, I'm ready for the day. Okay, so I've got to run a few quick errands this morning. It's 11 o'clock. We're gonna get it done quick and get back home so I can just relax. I'm gonna go to the bank, put something in the mail, and then maybe go get some lunch for me and Will. The mailman is here.
Hey, that's
Hi.
You're not going?
Yeah.
Oh, that's okay.
Okay, thank you.
Have a good day.
So I'm already out, but I've already done the 2 things that I wanted to do. So now what do? I don't want to just go home. I'm home, but we are gonna go on a little motorcycle adventure. Here we go. Okay, we made it to Founders Plaza. Hold on! See? At DFW. Oh, look at this little thing. Look how cute. Here comes the plane!
See this?
Wow! That's so cute.
So, are you recording?
Yeah.
When an airline pilot has his last flight, as part of a little ceremony, the fire trucks come out and they spray water over them like that.
Really?
Yeah, so whenever they have their last flight. There's a name for it, but I forget what it's called.
Huh.
But that's what they're symbolizing here, I think.
Cool. You can hear the tower going. There's a lot of people here. Everyone's just chilling out, watching the planes. Yeah. Here comes one. Steady. There's an airplane landing here every 2 minutes?
I think on average, an airplane is landing or departing every 60 seconds.
Every 60 seconds. Ground control to Major Tom. Commencing countdown. Engines on. Made it home. It's really hot outside. It's time to relax. Okay, I was just trying this new dark chocolate that I got. It's almost so dark it doesn't taste good. It's like almost sour. It takes some getting used to. It's like 80% dark chocolate. I don't know. It looked good and I like the packaging, so I got it. I could just hear it.
Is it gone now?
Yeah.
Well, not in the game yet again, so hold on. It's because I went back to the main menu, I think.
I'm sitting here with my headphones editing, and Will's sitting over there with his headphones. We don't even have to talk to each other. I'm editing this video. It's my phone review video. I'll link it below. Almost done. It's the end of the night. We're gonna relax and watch a scary movie, which we never do. We don't like scary movies. But I'm gonna have a little dessert. Popcorn and dark chocolate. Hope you enjoyed this video. It was a really fun day. I loved seeing all the airplanes. So yeah, it was really fun. Definitely gonna go back there again. But until tomorrow, see you later. Bye.